2024 Hyundai Sonata N-Line. Go ahead, this is what it sounds like before. This is what it sounds like before. So we did a muffler delete on it earlier. Our good friends at Valvetronics, we're gonna install 2 mufflers for him, and that way he can control it on and off. Stay tuned. Valvetronic Designs. Here's sound decibels before. Go ahead. 87.5 Hyundai Sonata. Stay tuned. So our good friends at Valvetronics got us these mufflers. There they are. He brought them in. And then we're going to install them where we did the muffler glue there in there. We're going to keep this Virant mid resonator there. And we're going to take this resonator off, the stock resonator, give it a little bit more tone, because those Valvetronics make a huge difference in sound. When they're closed, they make it really quiet, because he's complaining of drone. That's why he went with the Valvetronics. All right? So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to show you guys after. All right, guys, on this Hyundai Sonata N-Line, we took the straight pipes off and the original resonator. We straight piped the resonator, left the other resonator, the aftermarket, and added 2 Valvetronics mufflers. This is with the valves closed. Here, you guys can hear it's really quiet. A little bit of tone, but nothing crazy. Almost stopped. Yeah. Here's sound decibels on it with them closed. Again. Right at 81. Rev it again. All right, go ahead and open the valves. So now, guys, valves open. This is what it sounds like. Yeah, this is loud. Not loud enough, though. Again. One more. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. So increased it another 6-7 sound decibels. Again. I'm gonna take it down the road and try it. You guys can see it has a nice tone to it. Tone to it. Remember, we took the resonator off too, so you definitely have to take the resonators off to get it loud, so you can really hear them. Again, close it. This is with valves closed now. Yeah. Again, you guys can hear it's really quiet. Again. Open them. Here's it open. Let you guys hear on the inside. So this is with the valves open on a Hyundai Sonata 2024 N-Line. Valvetronics. Let's see how it sounds going down the road. Just quiet. Not bad, but still too quiet though. He needs to get rid of that resonator. We gotta make sure those Valvetronics breathe, man. With that resonator, they're not breathing. Doesn't sound the same at all. Let's see what these Valvetronics can do. And they don't need any other restriction for them to sound good. Valvetronics do the trick by themselves. We've taken one resonator out already. This one. There's the straight pipes we took off and put the Valvetronics in their place. So now we're gonna take the other resonator off. Stay tuned. This is round 2, guys. I think it'll be a lot louder now. Now you see it fully straight piped, other than the manifold converter up there somewhere. On top, there's the converter. You guys can see it's nice and purple. But we took the main resonator off, secondary resonator there, we took it off. That thing was making it ultra quiet. We didn't like it. Then we left the 2 Valvetronics mufflers because they're beautiful. And we left them on and said, now they can actually do their job. And actually, we'll be able to hear it with it open and closed. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. There's the other resonator and 2 pipes. Yeah, valves are closed. Go ahead. It's quiet. Look. You can barely hear it running because the valves are closed. Like when they were open with that resonator on it. Here's sound decibels with them closed. Again. So right at 85. Go ahead and open the valves. So this is valves open. Something about these Valvetronics, guys, you cannot have any resonators or anything on it, or you cannot hear the true sound of the Valvetronics. Again. Yeah, it's so much better. Again. Here's sound decibels. Right at 95 now. Yeah, 95 is perfect. And at idle, it's really still quiet. Look, barely a tone. Which is awesome, because it's still going through the mufflers a little bit. Again. You like it? He likes it. All right, go ahead and back it up. Tone, but clean. It's not too loud. Again. Definitely hear a difference in tone. Valvetronics, valves open. Now you can hear it. Before you couldn't hear it at all. Much better. So he's gonna come back now. We're gonna do it with valves closed. Stay tuned. So now valves are closed. Here's test number 2 with valves closed. Rev it one more time. All right, go ahead. This is with valves closed. wow, you can't even hear it. That's nice, bro. It's quiet. I like it. Now you can sneak out of the house. He's like, yeah, okay.